everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Vanessa and I post videos here every Saturday. So welcome, and nice to meet you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this casual yet glamorous, fiery look. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Alright loves, I have taken the liberty of already doing my foundation, and next I'm going to go in with this xoxo London setting powder, almost at setting spray, and this is what it looks like. It smells like watermelon. It's absolutely heavenly. I think this is pretty new, by the way. I got this with an Ipsy bag, an Ipsy makeup subscription, but I am baking. I like to start off with my nose. I think a lot of other makeup artists do this as well, but I have very oily skin, especially with my T-zone area. So going along, kind of branching off towards my cheeks, like I guess my cheekbone area as well. Sorry guys, I decided to do voiceover because I just got really lazy and I just didn't feel like talking during this video. I didn't feel like doing much speaking, so I wanted to focus really on just doing this makeup look. Let it set for 5 minutes and go ahead and dust it off. Sorry, I kind of rushed this part as well. I really wanted to get done. So I'm just dusting off this powder, but yeah, let it set for about 5 minutes. Just smoothing everything out, making sure everything is even. Looks pretty good. Alright. So next, my handy dandy tape method that you guys love so much. So I am just putting this on my eyes to catch that fallout, or if I have any, or if there is any fallout. Anyways, this is the Huda Beauty's Warm Brown Obsessions, and the color that I am going to focus on, this is a really small palette, I'm going to focus on the darkest color in here, and it's that color right there. It kind of looks purple on here, but it's actually like brown. And I'm just taking it and using my eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going back and forth in a back and forth motion, and I'm focused on the corners of my eyelids and really just darkening that as much as I can, just sweeping back and forth. I guess kind of as like a base color, I guess, if you will. So going to the other eye, doing the same thing that I did with the last eye. Alright, so I'm going back in here with this orange color right here. Haven't started off with it yet, but right now I'm just kind of trying to clean up that dark brown. Just darkening it a little bit more before I start on that orange color. I'm going to be taking this Kabuki eyeshadow brush by Glamorous, and I am putting that orange on the very top of that brown. I am also blending at the same time. I'm blending this orange along with this dark brown. So it's like the brown is fading into orange. So making sure we're blending in those harsh lines and just cleaning up those harsh lines. Alright, so next I'm going to go with this Lorena makeup. This is her eyeshadow. I've actually used her eyeshadow before, but I'm going to put it on my eyelids, and the color is called Anger. It's like a real fiery, orangey red color. But I'm going to use this brush, and I am going to dip it inside of here, and I'm going to start putting this on my eyelids. Ooh, this is super pretty. Love this orange, or red. It's like a mixture of the two. It's really pretty though. It's like this is, by the way, this is a shimmer eyeshadow. It's a shimmer pigment. It's not really a glitter pigment, it's a shimmer pigment. But it's like and shimmer pigment eyeshadows are like foil. Like a foil metallic look to it. But I absolutely love this. This is really pretty. So just packing it on there. This actually did not have that much fallout as I thought it would. So just packing on as much as I can. Then I'm gonna go back in with that dark color because I kind of lost it with putting on this shimmer pigment. All right, I guess we can go ahead and take this tape off. All right, time for some eyeliner now. I'm gonna go with this Milani Cosmetics Stay in Place, and I just got it in black. I got it in multiple colors as well, but we're going to use black today, and I'm going to start on this cat eye. I'm always in full focus mode when I'm doing this. I swear, every time. As I said in the previous videos, I do not breathe when I'm doing this. You know, they actually have stencils for this. Like, you don't have to even waste your time with trying to do this, but I've been doing this for so many years. It's nothing now. All right. Just perfecting it. Although I've been doing a cat eye for so many years, I even still mess up till this day. So just going to the other eye, making sure it looks identical to the other eye as well. Now time for some mascara. I'm gonna go in with this Lash Sensational, I believe, by Maybelline. And I got it, it's just in black. It's like a sample size. I got it like in a package at Big Lots. And it's one of my favorite eyelashes, or my favorite mascaras, I should say. So just putting on a few coats, not really worried about putting too much because I am going to put on some lashes as well. Alright, don't forget your bottom lashes. They are important as well. It's got to balance out. Alright, time to do some lashes off camera. I'll be right back. Voila. Already done. Here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go with this Ilia's liquid blush. It's called Stutter. I'm going to put a little bit on my cheekbones. This is like my favorite. And it smells like a cake donut too. Like maybe a cupcake or some type of cake donut. It smells heavenly. I don't know what it is. I love makeup that smells good. Some makeup artists don't like that, but I actually do. It's just pleasant. But just putting this on my cheekbones. Alright, now time for lips. I'm going to go with this Huda Beauty's Demi Matte. And I believe the color is, what is this color? Oh, Revolutionaire. That's what it's called. It's like a nude color. Or like a, yeah, it's like a nude color. And I'm just putting a little bit of this on my lips. And then I'm going to mix it with my NYX Butter Gloss and Ginger Snap. And I'm going to put this right on top of it because I like a little bit of shine and moisture. Wipe some of the excess off, and voila, we are finished. All right, everybody, that concludes this look for today. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. Like always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did doing this look, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Goodbye.